So welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about tense. So my first question to everyone, that what is tense? So yeah, Ritu Sinha, can you tell me what is tense according to you?
Tense is a word that tells tense is a word that tells us about the time
Time
or the
of
work.
what? Time of
Time
what?
of time with a time of work that
Time of the
that is
work.
we
Time tense defines the time in aspects of present, past, and future.
Okay, very good answer. Very good answer.
The state of verbs,
The tense is
the state of verbs that verb is in present, past, future.
okay. Fine. You can say that. Okay. Okay. Now let me tell you something. Yes, is there anyone who would like to speak?
So it tells when the action take place. It is
When the
present,
action,
future,
when the action take place or took place
took
or
place.
will take place.
Hmm.
Okay, please listen me. There are two things. First of all, tense, and the second is verb. We need to know about both the things, tense and the verb. See, verb, one is verb and one is tense. Whenever we speak in English, we use tense knowingly, unknowingly. If we know tense, fine. If we don't know tense also, I have seen many people, they speak English, but they don't know tense. Suppose if I want to say that, uh, you know, I have been teaching for last 8 years. I have been teaching since 2014. So whenever we speak in English, whenever we use any sentence, each and every sentence will belong to a tense box. Most of the sentence, not every sentence, but most of the sentence will belong from tense. Verb और tense दोनों में difference क्या है? What are the differences between verb and tense? Verb gives the individual time. Verb gives the individual time, and tense gives the total time of the sentence. Total time of the sentence. For example, right now in India, the time is 7:45. Right now, the time is 7:45. Now, if someone asks me, अगर मुझे कोई पूछता है, what is the time? If I answer 7, is it a total time? No. 7, yeah, 7 is right, but it is not giving the total time.
Total time.
But if I say it is now 7 hours 45 minutes, so it is giving the total time. Like that, verb gives the individual time and tense gives the total time of the sentence. जब आप whenever you speak in English, जब आप English में बात करोगे and you use tense, जब आप tense में बात करोगे, सामने वाले को सामने वाले को पता चल जाएगा कि आप जो बोल रहे हो, whatever you are speaking, that is in which tense. So tense, we are doing tense right now. What is tense? And what is the difference between verb and tense? Tense gives the total time of the sentence. As I said, it gives the total time. What is the time? It gives the total time. Okay, to know tense well, I request you all, whoever is watching this lesson, please make this chart. You make this chart in your copy. If possible, make a big chart. Take 2 pages and make a big chart, because you will write many sentences. So I'm telling you, make a big chart. There are 12 boxes you can see. The top row is the top row having the 4 boxes. The middle row is having the 4 boxes. Even the down row is having the 4 boxes. So there are 12 boxes. Please make this box so that you can understand better. So right now you can see the tens chart. You can see the row wise. The first row is the present row. You can see my mouse cursor. It is called present row. The middle row is called past row. And the down one row is the future row. If you see the column wise, the first column is indefinite. The second column is continuous. The third column is perfect. And the fourth column is perfect continuous. So there are 12 boxes. Each and every box has its own name. Try to see here. See my cursor right now. My cursor is in past row and the column is continuous. So this box will be known as past continuous. See my mouse cursor right now. It is in present row, perfect column. So this box will be known as present perfect. What we do, what is the function of present perfect, we will be talking it later. वो बाद में बात करेंगे इसका क्या फंक्शन है. अभी हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये बॉक्सेस क्या है, इसका क्या नाम है. What is the name of the boxes? Suppose if I say Karunesh, can you tell me this box name? Can you see my cursor? Your voice is not coming. Please unmute yourself.
Future perfect continuous.
Absolutely right. Future perfect continuous. Okay. Haya, can you tell me the box? This box is known as?
Past.
Past. Column wise, what is the name?
Indefinite.
Indefinite. Okay. Okay,
Past
fine.
indefinite.
Absolutely right. Okay, so we'll go for Gopa Ghosh. Can you tell me this box name?
Present perfect.
Absolutely right. Okay, show me. Can you tell me the box name?
The box name is future perfect.
Okay, so I believe you all know the name of all the boxes. So now we will go ahead and know what kind of sentences they sit in these boxes. We will try to talk about the meaning, isko kaise use karenge, the uses later. First of all, we will see what kind of sentences they sit here. Okay, so in present indefinite, let's start from the present indefinite. The first sentence, there is only one main verb. There is only one main verb. Always remember, in present indefinite, the number of verb will always be 1. And it will be the main verb. So suppose if I write a sentence and that has to be present also. So see the sentence here. She knows my number. She knows my number. So this is an indefinite sentence. She knows my number. In present indefinite, it will always be one verb only. Let's go for present continuous. In present continuous, there are always two verbs. The first verb will be be verb and the second verb will be main verb with ing form. It means the first verb will be be verb और be verb का जो present है वो होता है is, am, are. So अभी हम लोग present वाले रो में है तो अभी हम लोग सब कुछ present के mindset से करेंगे. We'll do everything in present. So be verb, so be का present कौन है? Is, am, are. So
I am going to market.
So right now, she knows my number is the sentence. So if she is there, then it will be be verb अगर आएगा present में तो she के बाद is आएगा. और जो मेन वर्ब होगा वो मेन वर्ब में हमेशा ing होगा. So the full sentence will be she is knowing my number. She is knowing my number. Why it is because we also know कि यहाँ पे be verb है. So सबसे पहले be verb बैठेगा. And after that we will keep the main verb. अगर be verb के बाद कोई verb आता है तो उसमें ing form होता है. ये हमने पढ़ा है. So the sentence will be she is knowing my number. Okay, let's go for the next. The next is present perfect. In present perfect, try to see there is a have verb and main verb. So have verb. So after she, we have to put the have verb in a present. अब she के बाद अगर have बैठाना है तो have तो नहीं बैठेगा, she has बैठेगा.
Has.
Yes, she has. और has के बाद अगर
Known.
any verb will state, that will be
Past
past participle.
Past part.
So what will be the sentence?
She has known my number.
She has known.
He has
She
knew.
has known my number.
Known.
She
has
has
knew my
known my number.
Known my number.
She has known my number. Okay, we'll go for present perfect continuous. There are three verbs. Have, be, and main verb.
She has been knowing my number.
So we know that after she, it will be always has. And after has, we have to put the be verb. Or has के बाद अगर be verb आएगा, that has to be past participle. It means been. And after been, it has to be the main verb. The main verb will be always ing form because previous to that verb, there is a be verb. So the sentence will be, she has been knowing my number.
Knowing my number.
Absolutely right. So guys, we'll talk about the meaning and the uses later on, but right now try to understand the sentences. Okay, let's talk about the past indefinite. In past indefinite, the sentence will be also having the one verb, एक ही verb रहेगा, and that should be in past. The sentence will be, she knew my number. Okay, then if I ask you, right, Ritu Sinha, can you tell me what will be the past continuous?
Yes, sir. She was knowing my number.
Yes, she was, because we know that this is the row and this is the column where you have to put be verb and main verb. And in be verb, we are into past row. So be का past होगा was and were. So she के साथ was लगेगा. So it will be, she was knowing my number. Then we'll go for past perfect. So Karunesh, can you tell me the past perfect? Okay, yeah. Kajal, can you tell me the past perfect?
She was.
यहाँ पे was नहीं, in perfect में देखिए have verb आएगा और main verb आएगा.
She had.
So past है, have का past हो जाएगा had.
Yes, sir.
She had my number. She had known my number.
She had known my number.
My number.
She had known my number.
Known.
Okay, we'll go for the next one. Past continuous. Past
She had been
continuous.
knowing my number.
She has been knowing my number.
So we know that it will be have, then be, and then main verb. It
Knowing
will
my
be,
number.
she had been knowing my number.
Knowing my number. She had been knowing my
Absolutely right. Okay, let's go for the future sentence. So in future में क्या होता है, you know, what happens in future? There will be one extra verb from be family. There will be an extra verb from be family. So if I use be here, so she will know my number. So will come, and the will के बाद जो फॉर्म है यहाँ पे, वो फॉर्म किस फॉर्म में है, कोई बता सकता है?
Sir,
After
mother
be.
form में.
Absolutely
form.
right. Absolutely. It is mother form. After will, it has to be mother form. Very good. Okay, so now we'll go for the continuous. So continuous में क्या होगा? Will रहेगा, be verb रहेगा, main verb
She
रहेगा.
will.
So
She
she
will
will,
be knowing
my number.
she will be
number.
absolutely right. She will
Will
be
be
knowing
knowing
my
my number.
absolutely right. She will be
She
knowing
will
my
have known my number.
okay. Let's go for the next sentence. We have got future perfect. In future perfect, we know will come and have is already there. Perfect में हमेशा have लगेगा और main verb लगेगा. So it will be she will have known my number. She will have known my number. Okay. Now the next sentence is फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. इसका मतलब विल भी होगा, हैव भी होगा, बी भी होगा, मेन
भी
वर्ब भी
होगा.
होगा. देयर विल बी 4 verbs.
She will have been knowing my
He
number.
will have been knowing my number.
She will have been knowing my number.
number.
Absolutely right. So these are the 12 boxes, 12 tense types, you know, the sentences type starting from present indefinite to future perfect continuous. There are 12 different types. So there are 4 present, 4 past, 4 future. Any question if you have, then please ask me. If you have any question from this tense, whatever we have discussed till now, please ask me right now.
And sir, it is request to you. I know my question is coming because of just lack of knowledge of verb what you have taught in the last class. So here I'm missing the actual meaning of be. So that is why some difficulty I'm feeling to understand.
No, it's okay. No, what is your question? What you are not understanding?
My question is related to I must say verb actually.
Okay,
Because
tell
I
me.
think on the basis of verb you are teaching all this.
Absolutely right. Absolutely
So,
right.
yeah.
So what is
So-
your question?
My question is this, sir, how have had been is coming and how has been is coming.
Okay, see, try to understand.
Yes.
Already we have done in the last class the same thing. Okay,
Yes,
the
sir.
partner
Yes,
verb.
sir.
So I would appreciate if you go to the last class recording and you see the recordings, then you will understand.
Fine, sir.
Because in a same class, it will be a bit difficult for me to tell everything.
Okay.
But if you know the partner verb that after has past participle can sit, after be present participle can sit. So if you know the partner verb, you will be able to understand why we have mentioned after have, why it is a been.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but these are the
I will.
structure in tense. These are the structure that in perfect continuous, there will always be 3 verbs like have, be, and main verb. So these are the structure of verb which are present in the tense. So ये तो आपको याद करना पड़ेगा कि किस tense के box में कौन सा verb आता है, ये आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. अब वो verb किस form में आता है, वो partner verb तय करेगा. लेकिन आपका काम है you should know that in which box which verb should sit. Okay, now what I'm going to do it, I'm going to give you a sentence. मैं आपको एक sentence दूंगा अभी, and I want that you should complete the tense chart, and I will be asking to everyone. So I'm writing in the chat box a sentence which you have to write. Okay, the sentence is, she tries to befriend me. This is the sentence. She tries to befriend me. This is the sentence. She tries to befriend me. She tries to befriend me. इसका हिंदी अर्थ होता है वो मेरे से दोस्ती करने के लिए कोशिश करता है. She tries to befriend me. So here you can see the sentence, and now I'm giving you 5 minutes, and please do complete the whole chart, and then we will discuss on this. So please guys, please write down, this is the sentence, she tries to befriend me. Okay, and if you are watching this video through YouTube, then you should mention your answer in the comment box. Okay, so now we'll see the answers. So we have got, first the present indefinite is already said, she tries to befriend.
Befriend me.
Yes. Now, okay, Ritu Sharma, can you tell me the next sentence?
So me.
Ritu Sinha.
She is trying to befriend me.
Okay. She is trying to befriend me. Okay. Haya, can you tell me the present perfect?
She has tried to befriend
She has tried to befriend me. Very good.
me.
Yeah, absolutely right. Kajal, the next sentence.
She has been trying to befriend me.
Absolutely right. Okay, I'll go for the next person. Yeah, show me Datto.
Yes, sir.
Past indefinite.
Past indefinite. Past indefinite. Past indefinite. She tried to knows my number. She tried to befriend me.
She tried to befriend me. Very good. Okay, we have got the next person. Manugya Pandey. Past continuous.
So she was trying to befriend me.
Absolutely right. Yes, Pratibha, can you tell me the past perfect? Past perfect.
Actually,
Sir, me.
I'm, sir, मैं बोल रही हूँ. I
Yeah,
had been, sorry, she had been trying to befriend me.
Okay, no, but I asked for past perfect.
She had
Past-
tried to befriend
Oh,
me.
sorry, sir.
She had
been trying
tried
to
befriend me.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Karunesh, can you tell me the future indefinite?
So what was past perfect?
Past perfect, she had tried.
She had
befriend.
tried to befriend me.
Right.
Sir, she will, past, future indefinite will be, she will try to befriend me.
Yes, befriend me. Absolutely right. Yeah,
Befriend.
Haya, what will be present? A future continuous. Yes, Haya, future continuous.
She will be trying to befriend.
Yeah, Haya, again repeat.
She will be trying.
Absolutely.
To
She will be
befriend
trying.
me.
She will be trying to befriend me. Absolutely right. Okay, Ritu, next.
Perfect.
Yes.
She will have tried to befriend me.
Okay. Kajal.
She will have been trying to befriend me.
Okay. So right now I'm showing you the sentence. You can see everyone. She tries to befriend me. She's trying to befriend me. She has tried to befriend me. She has been trying to befriend me. She tried to befriend me. She was trying to befriend me. She had tried to befriend me. She had been trying to befriend me. She will try to befriend me. She will be trying to befriend me. She will have tried to befriend me. She will have been trying to befriend me. So these are the 12 sentences. So if you could write it correctly, it means you have understood the whole thing. Very nice. Okay, so now we'll go for impromptu. You can see there is a sentence on the screen. So Ritu Sinha, can you tell me this sentence will go to which box, which tense box?
They will be calling, sir, future continuous.
Future continuous. So it will be there in future continuous. Very nice. So Gopa Ghosh, can you tell me the present indefinite of the same sentence? Fast, fast. Present indefinite of the same sentence. Gopa Ghosh is not answering. Kajal, can you tell me the present indefinite of the same sentence?
They are calling me.
Present indefinite. Karunesh, present indefinite.
They
They calls me.
They
call.
calls nahi, they call.
They call me.
They call.
Yes.
They call
They
me.
call me.
Yes,
They
they
call
call
me.
me. Okay, yeah, show me. Can you tell me present continuous?
Present continuous. They calling me.
No, they are
They
calling
are
me.
calling
They
me.
are calling me.
They are calling me. Manogya Pandey, can you tell me present perfect?
So they have called me.
They have called me. They have called me is the right answer.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll go for Isha Dev. Isha Dev, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the present perfect continuous?
They have been calling me.
They have been calling me. Very good. Very nice. Okay, can who's Hasnan Raza, can you tell me the past indefinite? Okay, no answer.
They
Okay.
called me.
They called me.
Okay, okay, okay.
They called me.
Called me. Sir.
Absolutely. They called me. What will be the next sentence, everyone?
Sir, they were calling me. They were calling me.
They
They
were
were.
calling me.
What will be the
They were
next
calling me.
sentence? Past perfect.
They had called me. They had called me.
Called.
Okay, Haya
had
will speak. Haya will speak the past perfect continuous. Haya.
They had been calling me.
They had been calling me. Absolutely right. Okay, what will be the future indefinite, everyone?
They will call me.
They will call me.
They
They
will call
will
me.
call me. Absolutely right. What will be future perfect?
They will have been
They will have called me. They will have called me.
They will have called me.
Called me. Absolutely right. They will have called me.
They will
And
have
the
called
last
me.
sentence.
will
They have been called me.
They will
They have
have
been
called me.
calling me.
They will have been calling me. Absolutely right. So these are the sentences. Very good. You people did very nice. You can take a snapshot from the mobile itself so that you can have the list of all the sentences. Okay, so this we will learn in the next class, the meaning of this. Okay, suppose this is the sentence. We'll do the last practice. Raj will have completed his task. So Karunesh, can you tell me this sentence will go to which box?
Raj will have complete
Perfect.
future perfect.
future perfect.
Future perfect, sir.
Future perfect.
I have asked to Karunesh. Now I
Sorry,
got
sir.
many answers from many people.
Sorry.
Sir,
Okay.
future perfect. Future perfect.
Future perfect. Okay, now, okay, I'm giving open invitation to everyone. Tell me the present indefinite.
Sir, Raj completes his
Raj
task.
complete his.
Raj completes
Raj
his
completes
task.
his task.
Raj completes, the वहाँ पे S होगा present two.
Yes, sir.
Raj completes his
Okay, what
task.
will be the
his
next
task.
sentence?
Raj is
Raj is
completing
completing his task.
What will be the next?
Raj is completing.
Raj has completed his work.
Raj has
Task.
completed his task. Raj has been completing
Raj
his
has
task.
Raj has been
his
completing
task.
his task.
Okay, past.
Raj completed his task.
Raj completed
completed
his
his
Was
task.
task.
completing his task. Raj had
Raj was
completed his
Raj
task.
was completing his
Raj
task.
had been
Raj had completed his task.
completing his task.
Raj had been completed
Raj
his task.
will complete.
Raj
Raj
had been
will
completing his task.
complete his task.
Raj
Raj will be
will complete his task.
completing his task.
Raj will be
Raj
completing
will
his task.
Raj will have
Raj will
completed
have
his
been
task.
completing his task.
Raj will have been completing his task.
Okay, very good. So these are the sentences. You know, if you want to take a snapshot, you can take a snapshot if you want. Okay. So Okay, now I am giving you an open option. I will give you a sentence and you have to speak all the 12 sentences in 30 seconds. In 30 seconds. So who will take the call? You have to speak all the sentences, correct sentences.
Sir, please repeat the sentence.
I have not said the sentence yet.
Not given the sentence.
Okay.
Sorry,
So
Yet.
you have to speak all the 12 sentences within 30 seconds. Like an example, I'm giving you an example. Suppose if I say I drink water. So start. I drink water, I'm drinking water, I have drunk water, I've been drinking water, I drank water, I was drinking water, I had drunk water, I had been drinking water, I will drink water, I'll be drinking water, I'll have drunk water, I'll have been drinking water. So ऐसे नहीं बोलना, you don't have to speak like that. आप आराम से भी बोलोगे तो 30 seconds में हो जाएगा. Okay? So who is going to take the call? अरे मर नहीं जाओगे अगर गलती हो भी जाता है तो ऐसा कोई तो.
They don't want to come
Sir,
first.
me.
Some.
Okay, so
Sir,
let's
पहले
say.
sen-
Okay,
पहले
Ritu Sinha.
sentence तो बताइए sir.
No, sorry, I can't say the sentence, but I will give you the easy sentence. Don't worry. So, Ritu ji, your option. I'm giving you the sentence. I'm giving you easy sentence. The sentence is, I write a letter. I write a letter. This is your sentence. I write a
Okay,
letter.
sir.
You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Start.
I write a letter. I am writing a letter. I have written a letter. I have been writing a letter. I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. I had written a letter. I had been writing a letter. I will write a letter. I will be writing a letter. I will have written a letter. I will have been writing a letter.
Okay, very good. Please clap for her. Very nice. Ritu has done wonderful, huh? The speed is 30 seconds, absolutely 30 seconds. So Ritu, your target will be next class. You have to speak in 25 seconds.
Okay, sir. I'll
Okay,
try.
but your all sentences should be correct. Okay. Okay, next
Yes.
will be Kajal. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
Kajal, your sentence is, I'm giving you easy so that I call my friend. I call my friend. I call my friend. Okay.
I call my friend. I am calling my friend. I have called my friend. I have been calling my friend. I called my friend. I was calling my friend. I had called my friend. I had been calling my friend. I will call my friend. I will be calling my friend. I will have called my friend. I will have been calling my friend.
Wow, wonderful. Very nice. Please clap. All the sentences are correct. And Kajal, you have completed in 29 seconds. 29 seconds. Wow, it is a very good number. Very
Sir,
good number.
thank you.
Very good.
Sir,
Please, your voice is not coming, Kajal.